Practice Day 2 with Mrs. Bibb. Alright, so today we're going to look at how to create different color temperatures. So in this first box, we're focusing on the color red, but I want to create a warm and a cool version of this color. Red being at the top of the color wheel can really skew either direction pretty easily. So right now I'm just putting down kind of a base coat, base layers of just plain red. And as I move towards the warmer side, I'm going to layer on some red-orange. And on the cooler side, I'm going to pick a cooler kind of red-purple. Now the same exact thing can be done with gray. So think about what colors would you want to use to make it warmer or cooler. On the warmer side, maybe you add yellow or peach or orange. I added a little pink. On the cool side, I grabbed a nice cool blue. It's a very subtle change. But this can really make a difference depending on where it's placed within your piece. And this last one is going to go from a warmer blue to a cooler blue. Now, blue being a cool color, it's difficult to think of it as being warm or cool, but again, depending on what's around the piece, it can really change the color. So you can see in this, it really did switch from warmer to cooler. All right, we're going to make this circle look like a sphere. You're going to pick any local color that you want. So I'm going to make this sphere look pink. So I'm going to start with my lightest shade of pink, and I'm going to work my way around that main highlight. It's from where the light source hits. So the light source is coming from the upper left, and I'm just going to do nice light layers. I just picked up a slightly darker pink. Again, light layers coming towards the highlight. I don't want my highlight right up against the edge of the sphere. It tends to make it look flat. And again, our goal is to make this look three-dimensional. And again, think of the lines of a beach ball, how they curve around the shape. And you don't want to take your colored pencil and just shade from edge to edge back and forth. You want to come in more of a cross-hatching motion. Again, I've grabbed another shade of pink. See if you can use 8 different colors. I'm working in some of those mid values. Again, I don't want it to look grainy, so use a nice sharp pencil. Now I'm coming in with red and light pressure in the mid values, and as it moves towards the bottom, I'm going to push a little harder. And I'm going to come in with the blue because cool colors recede away from the viewer. So I'm just going to layer a little bit of blue on that core shadow. And to pick up that tone, I'm going to use the same blue in the cast shadow. Remember, it's darkest near the edge of the object, and it should have soft, faded lines around the edges. No hard lines here. Nice and soft. Here's another example of a sphere I worked on. This one took about 30 minutes, and I used 10 different colors. So even though it looks like a red ball, it's more than that. Now you try.